Hello. One of our customer is insurance software company and hundreds of broker use it. Onboarding one corporate client took almost 100 minutes. The broker has to learn every screen, every data, every step, input it, and handle the exception. And when they get stuck, they call the product team. I was in that call. For 15 years, I have built enterprise products, and for 15 years, I was a person who gets those calls. I become execution layer, and that does not scale because the enterprise software was built with one assumption that user will learn the software like a power user. And few years back, ChatGPT came and exposed something fundamental is that user are goal driven and they don't want to learn the software. But so user has changed, but the software did not. But when people say that the SaaS is dead, I fundamentally disagree. SaaS is a system of record. Company has spent millions of dollars to make it work, to stabilize it, customize it. What is dead is that user willingness to learn the software. But in the same time, this current product is too old to be AI native. So the enterprise is a bit trapped. So they do try a lot of bandit solution, the solution like a chatbot or AI assistant to fix it. But these provide more and more information to the user. Information is not an execution. What is missing is the execution layer, and that's what we build, an AgenQ, an execution layer between the user and the enterprise software. User state the goal. For example, I would like to create a pipeline, and the work gets done. No need to remember the steps, no memory, just review and approve. Like a GPS for the software. And for the companies, you don't need to build and replace your existing current stack. It works on top of it. And this layer is AI native, which allow human user and AI agent both to use it, which is very powerful. Let's see the demo.
I'm Nina. Here can help you to onboard a new company, file a claim, or onboard a new policy provider.
Okay.
You can talk to or you can type text here.
I want to onboard a new company. The company name is North York Bridge and it's a manufacturing company.
Got it. We can do these two ways. Training mode. I walk you through each step by using sample data. Execution mode. I will complete the setup with actual data on your behalf, and then you just need to review it before submission. Perfect. I'll take care of the onboarding. This setup involves 33 data points across customer profile, policy details, billing, eligibility, contacts, and documents.
Okay.
I'll handle most of it for you. To begin, share the company name and any documents or source.
Okay.
OneDrive, got it. Started onboarding. I found additional data in OneDrive and recent emails. I need your permission to access it.
Authorized.
Onboarding setup is ready for review.
Oh, perfect.
Here is the onboarding summary for Northbridge Manufacturing Limited below. I've completed 29 of 33 data points. I just need a few details to finish. Billing, contact, email, payment. I've all set. Onboarding for Northbridge Manufacturing Limited is complete and ready to submit. I filled the onboarding form using the uploaded documents and authorized Northbridge folder.
Wow. So you saw the demo. Everything gets done by the agent Nina, and user just need to provide the information and approve it. And that's a power. This is working in the insurance, and from 100 minutes we have gone to 50. Fewer tickets, higher conversion. The data is early, we understand that, but direction is very, very strong. When it comes to attraction, we have 2 live enterprise customer. We are making as of now 5,000 MRR. One customer was a design partner, the second was an early adopter. We are also backed by 4 Accelerator in North America, and we have been nominated one of the startup out of 100 startup in Canada. When it comes to the TAM of our ecosystem and our target, it's pretty big. So we are focusing on the one vertical, which is insurance. We'll start here, we'll prove here. Once we are able to stabilize it, we can expand to other verticals too. Our buyer is head of product. And as we are targeting insurance company, we'll target head of the product in insurance segment. We have 20 named account, then 50 named account, then 200 named account. And we are chasing them. The target is by 3 years, we'll hit a 3 million ARR, and by 5 years, we'll hit 50 million ARR. Now you must be thinking, what if the Cloud Code can do that? Cloud Code is very strong horizontally across the browser, but it does not know customer compliance. It does not know customer workflows. It does not know customer rules. We will go deep into the product, and every task we execute, it builds the execution memory. And we also deploy on the customer cloud so that the data is private and secure, and we take care of in the get-go. We'll keep the business model very, very simple. We'll have a base fees and the consumption cumulatively. We have a great and excellent team. Nicholas brings 25 sales enterprise experience. Wassal brings AI experience, more than 50 projects in Toronto lab. And I bring 15 years enterprise product experience. Me and Nick are working full time on this because we lived this pain. We believed on this pain. Now we are raising 750K. This money will help us to hit 500,000 ARR in next 12 months, building towards 100 times more upside. We believe the next generation of software is not about the better UI experience. It is about better execution experience. And that's why we are building AgenQ, a GPS for enterprise software. Thank you.